You trained hard. You ate right. You slept 4 hours. That one decision is quietly undoing everything you built. Here's why. Most people think sleep is passive, just rest, waiting for morning. It's not. Sleep is when your body actually builds the muscle. The gym breaks you down. Sleep puts you back together. Cut the sleep, and you cut the construction mid-shift. First thing that gets hit? Growth hormone. Your body releases most of its daily growth hormone during deep sleep. Not after your protein shake, not during training. Deep sleep. One bad night disrupts that release. Less growth hormone means the micro tears from yesterday's session stay partially repaired. You wake up thinking you recovered. You didn't. Then cortisol spikes. One night of poor sleep raises cortisol the next day. Cortisol breaks tissue down. So while you're just existing, not even training, your body is leaning toward muscle breakdown. You didn't change your diet. You didn't skip the gym. You just slept badly. And now your body is working against itself. There's also insulin sensitivity. Poor sleep makes your muscles less efficient at pulling glucose from the bloodstream. The food you ate is processing less effectively.
Your nutrition didn't fail. Your sleep did. Here's what that adds up to. Growth hormone disrupted. Repair blunted. Cortisol elevated. Insulin sensitivity reduced. Your entire recovery system running at half capacity. One bad night won't erase months of work. But consistently sleeping under 6 hours means you're consistently underbuilding. Same training, same food, just never fully cashing in on the work. The gym is the stimulus. Food is the material. Sleep is when the building happens. Shortcut the build window, don't expect the same result.